Hello, I want to look at a visualization that we can make a lot cooler with a very tiny amount of effort. Now, I really like the matrix visualization. I've mentioned this before. I think it's great, very flexible. You can really make it look very, very unique as to really your own requirements. Whatever style your report is, whatever data you want to display, matrix, brilliant, shouldn't be overlooked. So, in this matrix, I am displaying bit of data, which is football teams, and my column values here are my positions. So defender, forward, goalkeeper, midfielder. The values, I have two values. I have points and I have points per game. So as you can see, the column here, defender, forward, each one has 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And it's pretty clear. You can see that somewhat well, but I'd like to make it a little bit clearer, a little bit easier on the eye for the whoever is reading this report, the user, viewer, whomever. And I can do that really, really simply. It just takes almost no effort. And I'm going to add another value, and that value is blank. So it's just, this is no effort really at all. I'm called a G, and I'll show you why in a second. So I add that, and now I have this nice little gap. Yeah, of course I have here my value and my G, the measure, which looks obviously terrible. We can take that away very quickly by going here, and I'm going to go to my field formatting, click on G, and I'm going to go font color is the same as my background, and if I apply that to header, now the G's gone. And for me, that looks like really clear. I really like that separation of the values. The reason I've called it G is because that determines the column width. So originally I called it gap, but I have the auto size on. So if I were now to change that to gap, you'd see the difference. So for me, that gap was a little bit too big. So I just changed it. So you can call it really anything you want. Yeah, love that. Works really well. Yeah, one negative thing about this potentially could be that as you see here, the actual column headers, you can see I've already got them switched on as center, and now they look slightly off center. For me, that's not a huge issue. It's a very, very minimal thing, and for the addition of having this nice space between the values to really separate them out, I really like how that looks. So yeah, that was my matrix Power BI visual awesomeness tip. Hope you like it, and see you soon. Goodbye.